Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. In this series, we are learning about Indian folk art called Warli. You've seen how to draw basic Warli elements, borders, trees and shrubs, birds and animals, and Warli houses. If you've missed these sessions, I'll be adding the links in the description below. Today, in the 6th episode, let's learn how to draw Warli human beings. We'll also learn about traditional paintings created during Warli weddings. During traditional Warli weddings, Dev chowk and Lagna chowk are painted on the house walls. The Dev chowk has a 5-headed god Panchashira. This god is worshipped on a wedding day to protect the bride and groom. Now let's look at the Lagna chowk. Chowk means a square or a rectangle. Floral patterns are painted at the corners. The main image is surrounded by intricate borders. In the center is placed the goddess of fertility called Palkhat Devi. Other elements from nature like sun and moon are also painted. An auspicious element called Kalash is painted at the center. Lagna chowk is painted on the house walls of the bride and groom. Surrounding the Lagna chowk, other wedding scenes are also painted. Let's learn how to draw Warli human figures. This is a basic stick figure. Now if you add two inverted triangles, you'll get this Warli man. A Warli female can be drawn in similar fashion, except we can add a hair bun, bangles and anklets. So it looks different than the Warli man. By changing the scale of the figure, you can get a Warli girl and a Warli boy. So you have a Warli man, woman and children. This is a Warli old man with a bent spine. This is a Warli old woman with a hunched back. And a hair bun and a stick. So these are the basic Warli figures. Now let's look at some examples of Warli figures performing their daily chores. You can also draw these Warli figures in sitting positions. This one is cooking. This lady is working in the farm. The mother is helping the child with her hair. This man is working in the farm. In many Warli paintings, you see Warli figures dancing and playing various musical instruments. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Anu Loves Art. I'll see you again next time. Until then, bye-bye.